First, good evening. We are the group 4 and we are reporting about nematodes. First, do you all know what is nematode is? So nematode or nematoda, also known as roundworm, is a large group of simple unsegmented worms and have elongated cylindrical and tapered bodies at both ends. They are one of the most numerous animals on earth. They can live in soil, water, inside plants and animals as parasite. So, ang mga nematodes or nematoda ay kay mga types animal or worm. Sila ang pinaka damo or damo ila population diri sa earth. Kay mabuhay sila sa yuta, tubig, or inside sa mga living organism like plants or animals as parasite. Their body is covered with a tough cuticle that protects them and help maintain their shape. They have a complete digestive system but no circulatory or respiratory system. They rely on diffusion and body fluid movement for this function. So, ang nematodes kay ilang lawas na covered or naputos og gahi nga cuticle nga maka-protect sa ila og maka-maintain sa ilang shape. Wala na sila complete nga digestive system like ang mouth, intestine, large o small hantod sa anus. Pero wala sila circulatory o respiratory. Kay nag-rely sila sa diffusion o body fluid movement for this function. Most nematode are microscopic, so meaning dili sila makit-an kung walay microscope. But some can grow several centimeter long. Some species are free-living, non-parasitic, and help decompose organic matter, while others are parasitic and cause disease in plant, animals, and human. So, ang uban ng nematodes kay dili maka-harm or dili sila mga peste sa mga iba-iba nga living organism, while ang uban maka-epekto sila or maka-cause og mga disease, mga sakit sa mga living organism nga ilagi gipuy-an or ang ila host. Now, let's explore the different system of nematodes.
Circulatory system. Nematoda do not have a circulatory system. Instead, they use their pseudocoelomic fluid. Instead, their body cavity to transport nutrients, oxygen, and waste product. The movement of their body helps the fluid circulate materials throughout the worm. Organs. None. No heart, no blood vessel. Respiratory system. Nematodes breathe through diffusion. Oxygen enters and carbon dioxide leaves through their body, surface, or cuticle. This happens because gases move from areas of high concentration to low concentration. Organs. None. No lungs or gills. Reproductive system. Nematodes have separate sex, male and female. Males produce sperm in the testes and deliver it using spicules. Female produce eggs in the ovaries. Fertilization happens inside the body. The uterus stores and releases fertilized eggs. Female. Ovaries, oviduct, uterus, vulva. Male. Testes, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, spiculis. Nervous system. The nerve ring acts like a simple brain that controls response and movement. The nerve cord run along the body and send signals to muscles for movement and sensing the environment. Organs. Nerve ring, dorsal and ventral nerve cords.
So, digestive system. Nematodes have complete digestive system. So, meaning, ang nematodes or ang mga nematoda kay na sila kompleto nga digestive system like sa ibang organism na sila'y mouth, pharynx, intestine, ug anus. Ang ilang food kay mubra sa usa ka direction making digestion efficient. So ang pagdigest sa pagkaon kay efficient or dali. Ang organ nga gigamit ani kay mouth. Mouth is pushed by the pharynx into the intestine where digestion absorption occur and waste exit through the anus. So ang mga organ na gigamit ani kay mouth, pharynx, intestine ug anus. Next is integumentary system. The cuticle is a thick, flexible outer covering that protects the nematodes from injury, drying out, and harsh environments. So, ang cuticle or ang nag-cover sa skin sa nematodes, ang cuticle nga baga flexible para na maprotektahan nila ang Next is integumentary system. The cuticle is a thick, flexible outer covering that protects the nematode from injury, drying out, and harsh environments. So, ang kaning baga ka cuticle o flexible outer covering niya ay gigamit niya para maprotektahan yang kaugalingon sa mga injury, pagka-dehydrate, o sa mga environment na makapatay sa ila. The epidermis beneath it produce and maintain this cuticle. So, ang epidermis kay mo ni ang mag-produce o mag-maintain sa cuticle. So, ang organ nag-use ani kay cuticle o epidermis. Next is endocrine system. Nematodes do not have separate endocrine organs, but they still produce chemical messengers or hormones that control growth, molting, and reproduction. So, ang endocrine system nila, ang endocrine system sa nematodes kay dili separate ang pag-produce sa mga hormones nga mag-control sa growth ug sa reproduction. Pero nagyapon na sila mga chemical messengers nga or hormones in other term nga mag-control sila growth, molting, and reproduction. Ang nakaibahan lang niya sa iba nga animals kay dili sila separate ila organs kay sa organs na gius ani kay wala sila organs nga literally nga mo produce endocrine, but cell produce hormone. So ang cell may mag-produce sa hormone. Okay natin. Practice ba na? Ano na? So, example of nematodes are Ascaris lumbricoides. Example of nematodes are Ascaris lumbricoides, a parasitic roundworm that lives in the intestine of human. It causes disease called ascariasis, leading to stomach pain and malnutrition. Sumuning parasitic roundworm nga nagpuyo sa intestine sa mga human. Mauguro niya ang bitok. Nga makalid og infection, stomach pain og mga malnutrition maong kailangan sila mawagtang. Infection usually happens when people eat food contaminated with worm eggs. So ang mga people nga or ang mga person nga mukaon sa pagkaon na contaminated sa ilang egg, mura to ang mga kuhaan ni nga roundworm. Next is Ancylostoma duodenale, a parasitic nematode that attaches to the wall of the small intestine and feed on blood. It can cause anemia and weakness because it sucks blood from its host. So kani nga parasitic roundworm kay mo gunit or mo attach sa small intestine, ang wall sa small intestine para higopon or para kuhaon imong blood nga makakos sa mga host nga makakos sa host og sakit nga anemia og pag-weak or panghihina kay inaman imong dugo gisupsup mong kuhaan kag dugo.